All right, so let's see if we have everything working. The market started. Let me give you guys some type of disclaimer before I get started. I don't see any moves anyway. Alrighty. So let's look at this market real quick. Now I have my little one, 1.5-year-old. I forgot that my wife had to do something today, so you might hear her in the background. So, but I'm gonna try to do this if I can. I'm probably in it early, but for the most part, I'm gonna try to do this live stream today. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. We have the market is basically breaking out of this right here, this consolidation. So I really don't see anything right now. Just marking up a couple of different levels, but overall we might pull back. If we pull back, it's a possibility we might have support over here. So we'll see. Different levels, but overall we might pull back. Alrighty, so if anybody is here, have any questions, let me know. Let me see here. Okay, so it looks like overall we might have a better moving market today. No guarantees. Yesterday was kind of slow. There's a possibility sellers could come in here. So right now, I really don't want to do anything yet. I can trade the open, but right now I'm just trying to see what the smart money guys are trying to do. They're trying to get a better view. It's a possibility we could pull back a little bit, but we'll see. You know, you can tell that it's having problems around here, so if it pulls back, I wouldn't be surprised. You know what? The volatility is a little bit slower. I can still see that it's still a little slow. Overall, the daily chart is just going straight up. So once you see something like that, the VIX is going down. When the VIX is going down, the market, for the most part, gets, or it's just much slower. So we'll see. Don't see anything yet. Nice selling right here, but I still don't see anything yet. Actually, might take a short right here because this thing is looking too weak. We'll see. But I think they want to push that one more time. Possible short, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm not even gonna do anything because the way they holding price, it looks like we could make a new high. But this could be a possible breakout, fake out just to reverse back. But I'm trying to get more information in order to take a high quality trade. It's the beauty of just trading in general. You don't have to take setups if you don't see a clear picture. Let these guys tell you more information. Let them show you more. Okay. Let these guys show you their hands. Okay. If you need to see more information, then wait for that information. I noticed when I decided to not rush my trades, overall, my trading, got much better. Possible support around here. If I can draw this possible support. So I'll probably look for a long. We'll see. Yeah. 50. All right, let's see if I can get this one. This might be a stop out, but I'm gonna go for a quick long. Yep, that's my daughter in the background. So, just waiting to see what's going on with this. Let's see if we can trap some traders that's going short right now. Hopefully, there's no guarantee. Because, you know, overall, there's no follow through right here. But, you know, I do like this breakout. I do like how we caught support right here off this trend line. So hopefully smart money can trap these guys that went short right here. And once smart money trap those guys, they can just basically push me along and push me to the profits. That's what you want to do. You want smart money to push you, because trust me, you can't go against these guys. These guys are the best, the smartest, and they have more capital than you. So you want to go along with them because they can push you to profits, push you to, you know, the direction these guys are going. So hopefully we get, you know, hopefully smart money will trap these guys that's going short right here. So far, there we go. Okay, my first trade for the day. Now, remember when we talked about, you know, going short right here? Remember, we talked about this. I told you that it's a possible short. I need more information. I'm gonna tell you this, okay? My old self would definitely take a short right there. Okay. I'm talking about, you know, my old self back in the days when, you know, when I first started out. Now, like I told you before, hold on, guys. Hey, what are you doing? Now I'm willing to be patient and, you know, let these guys give me more information. And I'm willing to miss out on a couple of trades just because of that, okay? Now, if you're trading a 5-minute and a 1-minute chart, even if you miss out on one trade, two trades, you know, you still have multiple entries or opportunities during the day, so it shouldn't bother you at all. Now, overall, this definitely looks like we're probably gonna let me see, we're probably gonna continue to go up. We'll see. Gotta be cautious with this, but let me look at the daily chart. The daily chart has the potential to skyrocket, but we'll see. Right now, sellers is trying to come in. This is a good area right here. I believe I can probably drop a limit right here. I could probably drop a limit over here, but I don't want to. Not yet, because I'm still not clear. Still not clear. You know, like this looks like we will continue to go up, but you know, you have to understand, smart money loves to trap people, and it's a possibility right now. You know, we can, you know, just go back to the breakout. Okay, possibly we can go back to this breakout right here. You know, go back to the breakout, because it's, you know, so it's still early in the day and I'm still trying to figure out what these guys are trying to do. But if I was aggressive, I would just try to limit buy somewhere in this area. Actually, probably maybe in this area too. Somewhere around this area. But right now, I'm just trying to figure out what these guys want to do, because I believe we can still pull back to the breakout. But a limit buy, will be for a quick scalp. Let's see if I see any buyers right here. So this would be my limit buy right here. Let's see if any buyers come in. This would be my limit buy right here. Because right now it's too early to figure out, okay, is this like a legit trend? Okay. So right now you see buyers is trying to come in. Okay. But we'll see. You see? So this might be this whole move might be a trap, because like I said before, a lot of times smart money loves to trap you during the open. So this is why I wasn't aggressive. Like usually I would probably see if I can do a limit right here, but just because we made a new high and we continue to go up again, doesn't mean that this is going to be a bull market. This is why you really have to, study the market and understand how these guys think. These guys are always trying to trap you. So we went back to this big breakout right here. Now we have to see how they want to play this, all right? Do they want to trap everybody, or do they want to bounce off of this? So it's multiple ways we play this. I'm definitely be patient with this. Possibility we can find support right here, but there's no guarantee. Yeah, I could definitely see these guys pulling back a little bit. If you guys have any questions, let me know. See a couple of people here. Here we go. Smart money trapping these rookies. So the way I'm looking at this is it's a strong possibility that this whole move right here might wipe out this whole move right here, and we can continue to go down like this, continue to go down, wipe these guys out. Okay, we can either wipe these guys out right here, or maybe go back to the ultimate lows, the pre-market lows. It's a possibility. We'll see. That's why you have to study the market. Sometimes the market loves to go up just to go back down. Right now, I don't see anything, so just wait. Okay. Your job as a trader is to what? Wait. It's to wait. Take those high quality trades. Hey, what you doing? No. My daughter's running around pressing buttons. Hey. No. Don't do that. So we'll see. We'll see if small money is going to continue to push this down. It's a strong possibility that could happen. Strong possibility. They can wipe everybody out. This is why you have to understand, all the possibilities. You have to understand all the possibilities. No. Don't do that. You have to understand all the possibilities. I would say back in the days when I first started out, I had a bias, and let's say that I felt like the market was going to go up today. It was very hard for me to switch bias and think the other way. And I realized, it doesn't matter what I think. This is why a lot of people in general, struggle. Another reason why people struggle with trading is because, especially if you're smart, right? If you're smart, so you're used to being right. Okay, so if you're used to being right, and when you come to trading and you're wrong a lot of times, it would definitely mess with your your brain. And with trading, it's not about being right or wrong. It's about what the market is doing right now, right? And you have to have the ability to learn how to switch your thinking. Just because the market is going up and you feel like it's going up or you think it's going up, doesn't mean it has to continue to go up. Doesn't mean it will always go up for the whole day. Okay, so you have to be able to switch. Some people are not. Well, I believe, in general, we're probably not, born that way. And so you just have to get used to that. This is why a lot of people blow up their accounts, right? They maybe they go against the trend. They say, no, it's impossible for the trend to continue to go down or go up. I know it has to turn. It has to. Okay, that type of thinking will blow up your account. So buyers is coming in right here. I'm still not convinced. I'm trying to see what the market wants to do. There's a possibility I don't think we're gonna go straight down. So we can pull back. So I wonder if they want to do something like, a breakout, pull back, just to go right back down. That's a possibility. So far, I don't like this whole pattern where we just broke out, failed at the top. Okay, we failed to make new highs, and we pulled back. So this whole pattern in general, I don't like it. For a buy, not yet. Not yet. Buyers failed at the top. Now, it's a possibility we can still make, new highs. But me personally, I want to see a little bit more confirmation. So far, they're trying to buy this right here. But we'll see. Like I said before, I'm willing to miss out on moves if the picture is not clear at all. Okay, so looks like some selling's coming in. So we'll see. We'll see if they can hold this up. See, so whoever bought this right here, most likely looks like that person might get trapped. It's a possibility. We'll see. This might be support right here. Might. But like I said before, I don't like what I see right here. This picture right here, I don't like it. So, me personally, I wouldn't be buying it right here. Unless I get a little bit more confirmation. So we'll see. We'll see what the market wants to do. Right now, this looks weak. I'll tell you right now, if I was long right here, I'd be sweating bullets. I definitely wouldn't be I wouldn't be that. I don't want to be this guy right here. Okay. This is why. This is the perfect example why I don't rush anymore. Right. My old self would definitely be in this right here. And it looks like this guy will most likely get trapped. Get stopped out. We'll see. We'll see what smart money wants to do. But it definitely looks like this person will get stopped out. That's what it looks like. We'll see. So overall, it's still slow. The market is still slow. Let me look at the VIX. Let's see what the VIX is doing right here. Let me go to my VIX. Let me see where the VIX is at. Yeah, so the VIX is still at 12, so the market is slow, man. Very slow. But overall, you can tell that, this guy right here is sweating bullets. So this could be a nice breakout. I'm thinking about taking it, but I think I'm too late in it. I don't want to take it right now. We do have this trend line right here, but what I can do is, I can take it and get out. Let me see. Well, I'm too late in this trade anyway. That would have been a nice trade right here. Yeah, I'm too late. Oh well. So as soon as we hit support, of course, a little bias came in. And I told you guys I don't want to be a buyer because if you look at the overall picture, what is the picture telling you? We broke out, right? Hardly could make any new highs. Sellers came right back in. Yes, we at support right here. Yes, we are at support. Okay, but who cares? Look at the bigger picture. Let these guys show you their hands. Don't be one of those retailer traders that's always jumpy and always want to get in a trade just because you have the ability to press buy or sell. That's why most people, can't do this. It is, becoming a trader. The thing about becoming a trader, it forces you to become a better person. I think it's impossible to become a good trader and not change and become a better person. So this is a nice little short right here. I didn't get in, but there should be some more opportunities later on. But yeah, that would be a nice little short opportunity. Let's see. Definitely, we can probably wipe these guys out. Possible wipe these guys out too. They might just go for the whole, might go for the lows. It might not be a straight line, but we'll see. But that would be a nice little scalp right here. I was late in that trade, so I'm not worried about that at all. So I only took one trade. Anybody that's coming in here, let me see. Anybody that's here, I only took one trade so far, so took a quick little long off here. Got a quick 1-to-1. I'm definitely looking for sellers to continue to push this down. We had a nice little sell right here. I think for the most part, longs will probably not work All right, man. I'm gonna take a little break. Be right back. Take a little break. Okay, so buyers is trying to step in. I'm not sure if I believe the buyers not or not. I think the buyers will get crushed. I wonder if these guys are just going to go straight down. Hardly any pullbacks. It's a possibility. Now you have buyers stepping in at these trend lines right here. Okay. I really don't want to be a buyer right now. The same reason why I didn't want to be a buyer right here. So let's see what these guys want to do. Buyers are trying to step in. Okay, right at this trend line right here. So we'll see. Let's see how far these guys can go. So buyers is stepping in. But I think we still will most likely find resistance. So I'm just waiting. So this is going to be a slow grind up. Another slow day. We do have, some type of resistance around here, but most likely they're gonna probably push it up a little bit more, and we'll see if they hit the resistance. Now, if they can't even push it up here, then most likely probably roll back down. My thinking right now is we are at support right here, so I can't deny that. All right. I do want to take shorts, but I'm also, still cautious a little bit because support is here. So it's a possibility, depending on, how these guys want to move. It's possible we can, maybe go back to, or go back close to the high. We'll see. It all depends on what they do right here. So far, the buyers still look weak. I need more information. We might get another push up. I definitely do not want to be a buyer or a seller right now. The way I trade right now, things are not clear. But we did hit support because if you notice, we had this nice trend line right here. So buyers is coming in. Now, there's nothing wrong with taking this short right here, but I'm not going to take it. Not yet. There's a nice little short right here, but I'm still not going to take it yet. We still have support right here, so I don't want to, get trapped. Possibility we can have a nice little long situation, but I don't want to go long right now, man. It's just, in my opinion, just not worth it. Sales is coming in, so we'll see. If I get more confirmation, then maybe I go long. Right now, if bias comes in, possibility. But there we go. Sellers look like they're trying to come in. There we go. I wanted to go short right there, but I'm like, I'll wait, bro. So they trapped. It looks like they're going to trap these guys. We'll see. We'll see if they can push it all the way down. Looks like they will. So they keep trapping the buyers. So that tells me the sellers are still in control. I'm still looking for shorts. Wasn't really trying to go short right here. I wanted to. It was nice signals going on, but whatever. At least I'm not this buyer right here. At least I'm not that buyer getting trapped by smart money. Possible limit order right here. Possible limit order situation going on. I might take that. Might take a limit order. Oh, shoot. Hold on, guys. I'm late on this trade. Hold on, guys. Sheesh. I'll take a limit order right here. If I get stopped out, I'm cool. Hold on, my daughter's acting up. Hold on. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? All right. So hold on. Let's see here. So this support might be working, and buyers might just come back in. So what we're gonna do is we are not going to cry about that. I'm going to just basically wait to see if sellers come back in, but for the most part, it looks like they will bring this up. So this support, held a little bit. I took a limit sell right here because I wanted to, take some sells based on the flow of the market. But so far, buyers are trying to come in. So we'll see if buyers will continue to go up. There's a strong possibility because it looks pretty good. So I just gotta wait for my next trade. Now, if we go up, then it's a strong possibility we will go back to the high. So I will be looking for a longs because the way they're coming in pretty strong. So I'm gonna look for longs, and I'm gonna see if I can, get a long to go to the highs. Sometimes you just have to, sometimes go back and forth just to figure out what these guys want to do. And then, you make your right moves. Now we might get, some resistance right here. But the way this looks, okay, right here, this bottom right here at support, the way it looks, it looks too strong. So I'm definitely looking for some buys. Hopefully we get some decent buys coming in. I can't wait till the volatility, speeds up, bro. It's, this VIX at 12 is just so slow. I want to go long right here, but it's like this. Sometimes I trade off the 4-minute bar, but I want to go long right here. But I want to wait. Like, I don't mind risking this. It's not bad. I actually might just buy it and add on. Oops, I'm getting too late. Let me see. So I'm in it right here. So I'm buying it based on the 4-minute chart. And if it pulls back, I'm looking to get in some more. So overall, this looks like a situation where they're just gonna probably go to the highs. All right. That's what it looks like. So my next question would be, okay, if they go to back to the highs, should we, hold back to the highs, or should we just hold a little bit? Yeah, this is one of those squeezes. It looks like a nice little squeeze. That's just probably gonna just keep going. So right now, just gotta wait. It's a process of waiting right now. Buyers are definitely in the market, and you just gotta wait. I mean, the way they're going, it definitely looks like they probably squeeze to the top. I wonder if we're gonna find some type of resistance right here. So that's what I'm looking at. That's all I'm looking at. Let me see here. Make sure everything is looking good. So let's see what's going on here. Oh, my daughter's acting up. Please, guys, do not babysit and trade at the same time. It is tough. So I'm just gonna wait. I just gotta do a couple of things. So I'll be right back. It's just right now, just waiting for the market to push back up. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. Now, if I don't like this action, I will get out for a quick loss. I want this market to basically squeeze back up. We all find a resistance right here. So we'll see. Buyers is coming in. Buyers is definitely coming in right here. We'll see if you can push this bad boy up. Right now, it's got to be patient. So I might just take a quick loss on this one. If it doesn't show me any signs. Because at first I was going to risk this bar, which is not, big at all. Because I'm playing one contract. Nice, But overall, I could definitely see what these guys wants to do. Okay, it looks like they want to just basically continue to go back up. But I'll take a small loss on this one. There we go. Small money looks like they want to come in. So just gotta be patient on this one. If they continue to go down, okay, I'll take a small loss, and I will most likely continue to look for longs. So far I like what I see. Okay, almost like a double bottom right here. Shot out pretty good. Buyers, you can tell buyers are in here. The way it was moving, I can just tell that most likely it won't have any decent sized pullbacks. So that's why I just said, okay, let me just trade the higher time frame. Most of my entries are 1 minute, but I will sometimes go and trade based on a 5 minute. Everything looking good. I mean, we can get a decent high. We get another high going on. Then it's just looking good. My stream was acting up for a second. All right, so I just gotta wait. Alrighty here. Alrighty, hold on for a second. Hey, what you doing? Alright, so let's see here. Let me go to my 1 minute. Let's see if I will take my small loss. Yeah, my small loss is pretty deep. I'm still in this bad boy. I still like it. So if I do take a loss, my stop's going to be around 12, yeah. So I'm not gonna take the full bar loss. So I like my situation now. So that means that the market has to come all the way back down here, okay, to stop me out. And I like my chances because we have support, we have buyers coming in, we have a nice little double bottom situation going on here. I believe they will probably trap the sellers right here, smart money, and and if they trap the sellers right here, most likely we'll go back to the high because it doesn't make any sense, in my opinion, that for these guys to bounce off this level and not go back to the high, because we could have easily went all the way back down, trapped everybody here, okay. So since we didn't do that, it's a possibility we can basically continue to go up higher to the highs. So I had to take a quick break. I'll be right back. But overall, I'm looking for these guys. Hopefully, we can trap, the sellers. Hopefully, we can trap the sellers. Only beef right now would, we might find resistance right here, but I'm willing to, hold to the top. I mean, the way this looks, it's a possibility. So we'll see. We will see. I'm definitely keeping my eye on this. So far, so good. Now, I guess the next question would be, can these guys, continue to go back down? Yeah, I mean, anything is possible. Anything is possible. But just what I'm seeing right now, I'm looking at the whole picture. It looks pretty good for an up move. So, like I said before, we'll see. And if I do get stopped out, my next question would be, or my next thinking would be, okay, should I go short or something like that? The only way I would go short if they bring it all the way back down. Okay, right now, in my opinion, the buyers is still in control because we bounced off this trend line right here, this big trend line right here. So I would still look, even if I get stopped out, I would still look for longs because the sellers had a hard time pushing it down all the way, back down to the lows. So that tells me that I don't think the smart money is very interested in bringing the market down, because trust me, sellers, when they sell, they sell. Okay, so right now I'm just looking for a buy. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. All right, smart money looks like it's trying to push it up. So we just gotta be patient with this. You know, that's what trading is about, especially when the VIX is at 12. You know, your life, life as a trader. You just gotta be, guys, you gotta be patient, especially when the VIX is at 12. There's a strong possibility that the market will be a little bit slower, or a lot slower, but you still have to look at the bigger picture. You still have to look at, or follow your rules, okay? Don't rush, things like that. I don't know if you guys hear the nursery rhymes in the background. That's for my little daughter. I love that girl. She's my first. So right now, I'm looking for a smart money to trap these sellers, and and that's it. So just gotta wait. Nothing more, nothing less. So right now, it's just a waiting process. Just gotta wait. Like I said before, definitely resistance right here. But the way I'm looking at this, it still looks strong right now. Okay. So we might see little sells here and there, but I believe smart money will continue to bring this up. Be patient. Follow your rules. I think right now I'm at a good spot. Worst case scenario, a small tiny loss. I might put my stop loss below here. Because this could be resistance, but I still feel smart money wants to bring it up. But even if they don't, I'm cool with that. Let me see here. I just gotta wait and see what these guys want to do. Let me look at my daily chart. Daily chart tells me, man, these guys want to push this bad boy up. They just want to play with your emotions right now. That's what it looks like. But even if it sells off, okay, I will most likely probably get out. Let me look at my 1 minute chart. because the way I'm looking at this, you know, I'm gonna take a small loss on this one, which is okay. I'll take a small loss. I'm not gonna risk the you know, this big candle right here. Right now, I like where I stand. We had sellers in the past in this area right here. That's why I said this is a possible resistance area. We had sellers right here in the past. All right, so it's definitely, you know, possibility we can sell off here. We definitely had some sellers in the past, right, in this area. So we talked about how there's a strong possibility we will probably find resistance right here, but overall, the bigger picture, the way I'm looking at it, is still to the upside. No, what are you doing? No. So sometimes what they like to do is they like to, even if, let's say, we do find resistance right here, we sell off. You know, sometimes they like to pull back deep and then go right back up. So even if they do pull back deep, I'm still looking for longs. So we'll see if smart money wants to come in right here and trap these sellers. We'll see. This is, you know, a day where even if we do hit the highs, it's just probably going to be a slow grind up. Okay, that's why if we do hit the highs, you know, I'm done, man. So we'll see. Probably take another quick break. It's just taking forever, man. Okay, so come back. Let me see here. It looks like smart money wants to basically go back to the highs. Right now, I'm at a good position because worst case scenario, break even, done. But you know, right now it looks like smart money wants to break the highs. All right, let me look at my daily chart. The way this daily chart looks, we can probably rip. I mean, like rip. I mean, like, this could be a major trade, but I'm not gonna look for it. I'm just gonna look for it because this might be a major breakout. We'll see. But it's a slow day. Like I said before, I can get out right here because we do, like I said, we do have resistance right here. I'm just looking at the bigger picture. So I might have to take another break. These guys might take forever to go to the top. So I'll be right back.
One potato, two potato.
One potato, two potato, three potato, four, five potato, six potato, seven potato more, eight potato, nine potato, count them up to 10. Let's put our potatoes back and count them up again. One potato, two potato, three potato, four, five potato, six potato, seven potato more, eight potato, nine potato, count them up to 10. Let's put our potatoes back and count them up again.
Old woman who lived in a shoe.
There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth and a big slice of bread, kissed them all sourly and sent them to bed.
All right, so let's see what's going on here. Ah, boy. I'm thinking to myself, if this isn't, I want to see how they break the top. This could be one of those breaks that just goes crazy. We'll see. But I'm definitely getting out very soon. Oh boy, slow grind up. It's one of those days. Let me see here. I guarantee you, if I put magical indicator trading live, I would get so many views. People still think that some magic indicator could definitely, you know, they think there's just the holy grail. It's going to make you a lot of money. Most people just don't understand that indicators, there's nothing wrong with them, okay? But you still have to understand price, because price, the reason why you see those squiggly lines on your indicators is because it's tracking price, okay? So if something's tracking price, that means that price, they need price, okay? They need price first in order to make those squiggly lines. So price is king. That's why you have to understand price first. And then you could probably add, a couple of indicators. I don't use any indicators at all. I hate them. They lagging. I want to see price. I want to see smart money. Right now, it's a possibility we have a sell-off, and this would be devastating, right? If it starts selling off, and I break even on this one. But I really believe these guys want to try to make a new high. We'll see. Yeah, this would definitely be devastating. Okay, there's a resistance right here, but it is what it is. Even if I have a break-even day, I'm cool with that, man. Because this is part of my rules and part of things I do. A lot of my trades I do try to hold for a decent amount. This could be just smart money playing with your emotions, just to go right back up. Just gotta wait to see what's going on here. Right now, I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen. Slow grind up. Slow, slow, slow.
If you're happy and you know it. Pussycat, pussycat. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you wear?
Let's see. Small money wants to come in right now. It's going to be this bar. It's going to be the next bar. You know, we'll see.
Lazy Mary.
All right, so they're pulling back. So we have to see if they want to buy this up. We'll see. Hello? 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 All right, so it's a possibility that we might see some sellers come in, and I can take my profits right now, but you know I'd rather stick with my rules and go for the big targets, because that's what a lot of my trading is about too. I just don't go for quick targets. So if I get a quick break even off this, I'm cool with that. A small little tiny loss, I'll probably be done for the day anyway. All right, so they are selling this market. So this is, it's funny because I don't see this as a top, but there's a possibility. I think what I'm looking at is a possibility of a deep pullback, and then they bounce back up. Okay, so we'll see. So that's pretty much it for the day. Could have took my profits, but like I said before, I like to go for bigger moves during the day. It's not just for a quick move. So I was trying to go for the top sellers. We talked about possibility of sellers around this area. But if you look at the bigger picture is still telling me that buyers want to push this to the upside, because we had a chance to bring this market lower. It's 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern time where I'm at, so we had a chance to definitely bring this market much lower. Okay, that's if they wanted to have a we call that a bear day. Okay, if this want to be a bearish day, but overall it failed. So I'm looking for new highs, but right now we do have temporary sells. So I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm gonna take a small loss on this one, and that's it. So move up my stop. I was gonna do a break even, but I'm gonna see if we could bounce somewhere around this area. So we'll see. Yeah, this looks like, oops. It's definitely like sellers are in the building. Slow day, I tell you that much. But overall, a good day. We had one winner, we had one loser, and this might be a loser. We'll see. Hopefully, we get smart money to come in right here, because, like I said before, a lot of times they like to scare you out your position just to go right back up. I see it. Done seen it too many times, so we'll see. But that means I have to take breaks. So I'll be right back. Well, looks like buyers is trying to come in, so we'll see what's going on here.
A swarm of bees in May is worth a load of hay. A swarm of bees in June is worth a silver spoon. A swarm of bees in July is not worth a fly. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a log. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Old King Cole. Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his pipe, and he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers three. Every fiddler he had a fiddle, and a very fine fiddle had he.
So far, buyers is coming in, so just gotta wait.
King Cole and his fiddlers three. Simple Simon. Simple Simon met a fireman going to the fair. Said Simple Simon to the fireman, "What news, dear woman?" Said the fireman,
Oh shoot,
"Simon,
that happened so quick.
to pay."
I wasn't even paying attention. All right, so we are ready to go. All right, there we go. I'm gonna lock in my profits right here. Oh shoot, see. Oh yes, I'm gonna lock in some profits right here. Please hope these guys continue to go up. I'll lock in some profits right here. Whatever happens, happens.
Old Mother Hubbard.
That's why I move my stop. I mean, honestly, this is I really that is something that comes with experience. And what I'm talking about is basically the reason why I move my stop is because the way this hold on, let me continue to move my stop, guys. Hold on. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm dragging this baby up. Keep on going. There we go. We out $350 for the day. Okay, that's only one contract. So I usually trade 3 contracts, so that would have been 3 times 350. Let me do the math. Let me see here. 3 times 350 is 1,050. Okay, so I've been up 1,050. But with the market, this is hard to explain because it doesn't happen all the time, and you gotta know when it could happen, whatever the case is. But remember, I had my profit target right here, and I moved it up because I just had a feeling in my, just had a feeling because it's the way the market was moving that we was gonna make when we make a new high. Because if you look at the daily chart, anyway, we are at new highs. Okay, just look at the daily chart, we are at new highs. So I believe a couple of things. If we made a new high, we were gonna find resistance and sell off, or we're gonna blow right past it. So that's why I moved my stop, just to get a couple more ticks. All right, a couple more just to see if we can blast through that level, because especially if we are at new highs of the day, and the market pretty much been struggling all day, and this could be a potential breakout. That's why I moved my stop. Okay, like I said, this is something that you just it's hard to explain, I guess, because I've been doing it for a long time. But what I did today was just simple. Okay, we can go over this real quick. I'm definitely getting out of here. But hold on, let me see here. This market is very slow. The VIX is here, but I'm not complaining. All right, 2 hours, hour and 40 minutes. So basically, guys, we had we had sellers right here. Sellers definitely, right? You could tell. I mean, it was obvious. Sellers could not bring the market down. right? As soon as we popped right here, I was willing to risk this bar right here because sometimes I trade with my either with my 1 minute or if I get in with my 5 minute chart or 4 minute chart, all right? So I felt like we wasn't gonna pull back because this bar looks like, okay, we probably not gonna see any decent pullbacks. So I got it right here. Okay, I was targeting the high because again, we was supposed to sell off. We didn't. So if we didn't and we caught support right here, it's a strong possibility. It's nothing is 100% guaranteed, but it's a strong possibility that we'll go to the highs. All right. So that's my thought process. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Shout out to everybody that's watching this. And that's it. Talk to you guys later. I'm out.